Hello, coding students. Welcome to a super fun video about how to deploy your site on Netlify. In this video, we are going to create a site on CodePen, put that site on a GitHub repository, and then finally, we are going to deploy it on Netlify so the world can see your website. Let's do this. We're going to start out at CodePen. Okay. Now, do you remember that first video when we made a super sweet HTML template? Oh yeah, we're going to go back to that template because we're going to hit Control or Command A, highlight it all, copy it, Control or Command C. And now we're going to click up here, this top little red corner right here. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on pin up here in the top left. Now we've created a new pin, and I'm going to minimize the JavaScript window and minimize the cascading style sheets. I'm going to click in the HTML window, Control or Command V for paste. There's our template. What should we call this website? What should we call it? How about frozen broccoli? All right. Title: frozen broccoli. And I'm going to say for my heading, broccoli is delicious. And in my paragraph, I'm going to put, first, heat up the broccoli. Then soak the broccoli in teriyaki or soy sauce. Yum. Okay. Look at this website. This website's amazing. The world needs to see this website. So let's make that happen. I'm going to save this bad boy. Clicking on that save up here. Look at that. It's saved. Okay. Now I'm going to go start me a new tab. I'm going to get into my GitHub. Oh, all right. Look down here. I went in here. I'm already in my dashboard. I have an option to just go ahead and make a new repository. I'm going to call it frozen broccoli. I'm going to make it public. I'm going to create that new repository. Look at this. Now here's a confusing, weird, quick setup window. Peep this. I'm going to click on this bad boy right here that says creating a new file. Okay. Always call your HTML file index.html. It's kind of like a naming standard for the HTML file, the original that you're going to use. So now, Control V, there's my template. I pasted my template onto this index.html. Okay. Now I'm going to click Commit Changes up here up top right. And this will pop up, blah, blah, Commit Changes. Error loading page. Fun stuff. Okay, error loading page, no big deal, because look, I still have the index.html. Okay, hey, we're still making this happen. Okay, now it's in the GitHub repository. But we gotta get it on the net so the world can see my advice on how to make broccoli. Tastes good. I'm gonna click on another tab, and we're gonna go to, yes, you guessed it, Netlify. I'm gonna click on login. Because I'm logging into Netlify. I'm logging in even though my Wi-Fi is kind of slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, you guys know about that in class, right? Slow Wi-Fi. Oh, here's my team. Okay, awesome. I'm going to click over here. Does everybody see where it says add new site? I'm going to click on that add new site. And I'm going to import an existing project. Let's deploy your project. Awesome. I'm going to deploy with GitHub. Click on that. A pop-up just said authorized. Now it's going to show all of my GitHub repos. Which one am I going to deploy? The one that tells the world about frozen broccoli. Frozen broccoli. Ah, yeah, frozen broccoli. Oh, frozen broccoli. Okay, check that out. Let's deploy frozen broccoli. We're deploying the frozen broccoli. Site deploy in progress. Look, there it is. https://boisterous-lollipop-5b4243.netlify.app. Let's click on it. A window just popped up. Oh, you know why my frozen broccoli didn't pop up, kids? Do you know why? I'll tell you why. Because I didn't copy the broccoli. It still has my template copied. So let's do this. Let's go back to our code pen. I'm copying this, Control or Command C. And I'm going to go into my index. Look, my index has old stuff, my old template. I'm going to delete that. Well, first I click on the pencil to edit. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to paste the new stuff. Awesome. I just committed these changes. Commit changes again. Okay, so that's my new index.html. Let's see if this is going to refresh. No, it still has the old text. Let me try refreshing again. Oh, it's still being slow. Oh, it's being mad slow. Mad slow. There it is. Okay, so guys, whenever you want to make a change to your website after you deployed it, you can make the change inside your code pen, then re-edit your GitHub repo by clicking on the pencil, putting the changes in there, etc., etc. And then once you do that, once you change your file in GitHub, it'll eventually refresh on Netlify by itself. You don't have to redeploy or anything. This is good? Well, all right. Good enough. Now, before we stop this video, that is a terrible website address, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. Let's go to domain settings. Click on domain settings. Look at this. Look at this subdomain right here. I'm going to click on options. I'm going to edit site name. I'm going to call site name frozen broccoli. I'm going to save. Let's check it out. You know, there's my new website. You know, it's not 100% cool because it still has the .netlify.app, but you know, whatever, right? You click on that, and now my website is frozen-broccoli.netlify.app. Cool. All right. Any questions? I can't answer them. This has been recorded way long ago. That's just a teacher reflex. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video.